Unaona ile inaitwa reli. Inakwanga hivyo. Ukibadilisha ndio wenge hivi. Mpaka huko mwisho.
This village looks like Marwa's village. I've come to fix this machine, as you can see here, down here. This is a machine that uses electricity so that the farmer, as you can see where he take his water, a very deep place, like 30 feet. 30 feet. Yeah, you can go and go forever. What's up guys, good morning, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing guys? Thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abdi or Kijana Yamaro guys. Subscribe. Road to 1k subscribers guys. I see we have reached 380. Yeah guys, I'm just in this place. As you can see, people here are farmers. As you can see behind me, we have a mango tree. As you can see, it has some flowers. That is a sign of mango. You know, we are heading to December, and most of the Decembers and January people eat mangoes here in the village. So as you can see, let me show you even this one. As you can, these are mangoes. They come like this and then they grow big so that you can enjoy them. Yeah guys, let me stay like this because the sun is coming from that side. As you can see, these are the seeds. They are smelling like mangoes. So that is a sign of mangoes coming out very soon, and we will enjoy it. And yeah, very soon, like 2 months or 3 months from now, people will be enjoying mangoes here.
Mashini anajua tunafungana na yeye. Vivuli ziko hapo hivi.
Ama ni kwa sababu tuko pamoja.
Maongeo ndio mimi. Naongea naye kazi, atakulewa atakula nini chakula ya bure. Yaani nastahili hata yeye afanye kazi. Mimi nafanya kazi saa 2 ikifika za usiku saa 1. Waongea saa hiyo, unajua ni watoto wake wanaongea naye. Kuna mmoja ameandika watu. Sasa huyo ameandika watu, yeye amekaa chini tu.
Anafanyiwa kazi.
Na wewe unaanza. Unaona hata huyo mgeni ameenda, hata wako ongea anataka. Sasa anaanza anga kesho tena. Huyo na kwa hivi na hivi. Yeye ndio mbaya.
Hapa maji ilisha.
Ndio basi amefanya. Sasa hapa tunakuja.
Maji ilikuwa imejaa hapa kwa hii nini?
Nataka kujiwekea mchanga.
Hata hapa unaingia ngaje? Hapa. Unaingia ngaje hapa?
Hapa tutaingiza naye. Huyu mama amekataa kuja. Hapa kuna samaki.
Na iko na urefu ya kiasi gani?
Hapa. Ilikuwa 18 feet. Hii ni ngapi? That is 10. Iko 8.
Kwa hivyo ni deep.
Na bado nitachimba.
Yeah guys, today I've come to this place called Karima or Kamoro. I've come to fix this machine. As you can see here, down here, this is a machine that uses electricity so that the farmer, as you can see where he take his water, a very deep place, like 30 feet. 30 feet. Yeah, you can go and go forever. So I've come to fix this machine because it was not working. For those people who are new here, guys, I'm also electrical engineer. Not by profession, because I don't have certificate. Uh, the reason is because I don't have school fees, and yeah, that's why I don't have a certificate. But I am qualified. I do all electrical works. So I was called here with this old man. I called him Mzee. He usually give me work and a job, and he really trusts me because even me, I don't complicate things. So he just love me the way I am, and yeah. And for me, I've been always working and telling him the truth, and what is needed and what is not needed. Yeah, so I am waiting for him so that he can come with the cable, and then we connect the machine so that I can confirm it is working, and then I will go back to my village. From here to my village is like 5 to 7 kilometers. Yeah, guys, we work so hard. We work so hard. Yeah. So, guys, subscribe. Yeah. Road to 1K subscribers, guys. This village looks like Marwa's village. Yeah. Everywhere you can see some bushes behind me. Behind me, as you can see, people are passing there, going to wash their clothes in that river. There is a river there. Here people are blessed, not breast, blessed. Yeah. Uh,
Unaona ile inaitwa reli
uh,
inakwanga hivyo, ukibadilisha ndio wende hivi
uh,
mpaka huko mwisho.
guys, as you can see, my friend has planted some tomatoes, guys, a lot of them, until the end of that place he is going. And as you can see, he has been blessed with this big farm. As you can see, he has some banana stems and mangoes, a lot of mangoes, avocados.
Yeah, kija kule ambao nimepiga anaangukanga mara 8.
He's trying to give me a joke. Guys, as you can see, this is the fuse. Guys, as you can see, it has been burned like this. I put this in the morning after even me before going back to my village. He called me and told me that Abdi, where are you? The circuit has spoiled. So see, guys, everything is out of control. You see, everything is out of control. So I decided to replace it with the industrial socket. Now, guys, this is the industrial socket, guys. As you can see, it is doing very well, and the machine is doing very well. So I replace the socket with industrial socket. When we see the socket is bringing issue, because we have changed it like 4 times, so I decided to put this so that it can help. Let me show you the machine. The machine, it is inside the water or a hole. Here you cannot survive. Can you feel that vibration? Wow. Guys, I don't like doing a job 2 times, but today, yeah. today it was a must for me to come back and replace it again, because I've come here like 2 times. For me, because it is my job and I love it. I've done it my best, and right now I'm just staying at this place like 1 hour so that I can see how the machine will behave, because when I replaced the other socket, even before 40 minutes it was exploded, and I was called even before reaching at my place. So and guys, remember, coming to this place, it is like 7 kilometers or 7 to 6 kilometers there for you to come to this place. So I've come in the morning, and right now it is on afternoon, 3:40. Yeah, 3:40. So my whole day I've used it here, and the good thing, guys, I'm happy because the job that brought me here I've completed, and I have done it very well. Yeah, so I think now the problem will be okay. Guys, Mzee is a serious farm, as you can see. He has a small goat. A small, yeah, goat. Very friendly. Those are the other ones. All of this place, it is a dam where when the rain comes, this place store a lot of water. That's why you see I am just inside this place, as you can see. Yeah, it is surrounded like this. So when the rain comes, the Mzee has a lot of water, guys. Guys, this is my dream. Inshallah, when I will be my own boss or a big boss, I want a land like this. You know, right now young people are admiring cars and luxury, but for me it is opposite. I just want a farm like this so that I can plant my bananas. As you can see here, we have a lot of fruit. As you can see, zambarau, mango, avocado, pineapple mango. Mzee here have planted a lot of things, and he is not tired. Let me go and interview him so that we can hear what he can say. Hey, I always like this place because my dream is to have a big land like this. As you can see that place, I was down there, and right now I'm just in the farm, and as you can see, the machine is working very well, and the water is coming very fantastic. Yaani umeamua kucheza na maji sasa.
Ukinikuta nacheza maji hivyo. Ya poa. Chezanga hivyo. Maji. Wajua maji ni uhai. Unajua? Mbeleni hii shamba yote ilikuwa ina nini? Ilikuwa haina rorie. Kwa hivyo wakati nilichimba niko na rorie, niko na sasa hii ni maji yangu. Hii maji yangu. Angalia raha. Miaka nikae kwa hivyo na nitoa kila kitu. Bana mimi nakaa. Mimi nakaa. Bana sasa ulaji. Sasa yani hakuna vizuri. Na ukitegemea mali yako.
So guys, I will end up my video here. I'm just back home, as you can see. Mabata are back home. Yeah, everything is just fantastic, cooling down. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. I just recorded random videos. Even the Mzee was not aware that I was recording, but the good thing, I was not recording for information. I was just recording for content. So guys, I'm back home and I'm just preparing myself to go to the town center so that I can do other jobs. So make sure you subscribe to these videos so that yeah, we can meet on the next video. Bye bye.